All right, for our next iteration, we are going to winterize this car. To do that, we have this silicone gel, this roll of duct tape, and these paddle tires. Well, that failed rather spectacularly. Turns out this chassis, whoops, is falling apart. Well, turns out this chassis has it's too low to the ground and it's too heavy. This is actually very heavy. So it just can't get through any sort of snow. Um, well, so that means we need to put our robot on a different chassis. So, what chassis shall we use? I'll let you decide. So, which chassis should we switch to? I've got a few options that I think will do better in the snow than that old rally car. So, the first one is this newer vehicle. It's a cheap brushless four-wheel drive car I got off the internet. Now the advantages of this one, it can use the same paddle tires that are on a rally car. It's lighter and it has better ground clearance, but it's also just as heavy. The tires are just as small and well, it's not very reliable. So that's option one. Our second option is this Tamiya Dual Hunter. This is a beast. It has two motors, one to power the front wheel, one to power the back wheels, and it's got high ground clearance. Another advantage is it has lots of space in the middle and on the top to hold electronics and things because there's no gears or drive shafts. It just powers the back motor here, or back wheels from this motor here, and the front wheels from this motor here. The disadvantages are this is very heavy. It's not going to get through snow higher than its ground clearance, but it can get through a lot of snow. One other advantage of this one, it has paddle tires ready to go. They're a little smaller than the wheel that are on there now, but they should help in the snow. Our third option for getting through the snow is this Tyco Fast Tracks. The Tyco Fast Tracks was my favorite toy when I was a kid. It's not this one. This one I bought from a person off Kijiji, but I don't know where my original ended up. But anyways, this has treads. It should be able to climb over the snow. Might have difficulty getting the camera and stuff on here. I'll have to take the top off and maybe cut holes in it or put a new top of some kind on it, like my paper or plastic bag. This should float over the snow. If it digs in, well, then we're in trouble. Of course, if you have a suggestion on how to improve the rally car, I'd take that too. So what'll it be? Try to fix the rally car? Use this modern little car? Take out fast tracks to glide over the snow? Or the dual hunter to power through it? Let's have you decide. So please go vote in the poll. That should be in the description by now. And stay tuned for further videos. In the meantime, I'm going to try to improve the camera output, the resolution and latency on that. So see you in the next video.